Hey there, guys. This is Slide Pro here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a presentation on deforestation. So, first of all, choose a theme and click on New Slide, and you have to enter your text that is welcome, as it is a welcome slide. So, you're gonna increase the size of this text. Now, place it into the middle of the slide. Select it and change its color, bold it. Now change the color of the text into a series of different colors that are all of green theme. You can see as I have done. You have to carry out these processes as I have done. Now what you have to do next is that you have to enter more text. You have to go and give it an animation from animation pan, and then you have to give this drop animation. So this is the preview of the animation. Next, what you have to do is that you have to go to insert and insert a text box, widen it to my presentation. Now select this and give it some spacing of 50, and that's how it looks. So I have adjusted it. Now I'm going to select it and bold it and change its color to dark green. Next, I'm going to give it random bars animation. And now I'm going to insert a new slide and a text box. There you go. I'm going to write what is deforestation in it. I'm going to select this and increase its size, change its color to first of all, I'm gonna uh wait, yeah. I'm gonna only select deforestation, the word deforestation, and I'm gonna increase its size and choose a dark color for it and change its font to Arial black. Select the remaining text, bold it, change its color to light green, and move it downwards. Now select this, and you have to go to animation and extend this animation pan and give it this swirl animation. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to insert and insert another text box in which I'm gonna write the definition of deforestation. Select this and unbold it and change its font to FB Agency, and I'm gonna change its color as well. That's it. Next, I'm gonna select it, go to animation, and I'm gonna give it a wheel animation. So next, I'm gonna insert a picture, and from a picture in insert tab, and here you go. I have inserted my image. I'm gonna decrease its size and go to crop to shape, and I'm gonna select a rounded cornered rectangle. Decrease its size, go to crop again and click on fill and adjust the image, and there you go. I'm gonna decrease its size. Now what you have to go do is you have to go to pictures and insert another downloaded image, decrease its size, go to crop to shape, and I'm gonna choose this oval. Decrease its size. There you go. Next, I'm gonna give it an animation of this shape. Now I'm gonna insert a new slide, insert a text box, add my text, effects of deforestation. And now I'm gonna increase its size and select the word deforestation and increase its size, change its color to a darker color, and change the color of effects of to lighter color. And I'm gonna give this animation. Now I'm gonna add another text box, write the effects of deforestation in it, and I'm gonna select this, increase its size, change its color, give it a bullet point, and now select the heading and give it a darker color and increase its size to 28. Now go to insert another text box and you have to insert your next point in it. Give it a bullet point, change its color, increase its size, and increase the size of the heading. And there you go. That's what you had to do. You have to add the third point similarly. I'm gonna select the all of these and I'm gonna give it an animation. Now I'm gonna select the first one and increase the duration to 75 seconds. I'm gonna select the second one and increase its duration to 1 minute. I'm gonna leave its duration to 50. I'm gonna select them and change their position in the animation. And I'm gonna move this last one to later. So this is the preview of the slide. Now go to insert and insert a new slide that is blank. Go to insert and add a picture. So this is the picture that I got from my slide. I'm gonna insert a text box and write the causes of deforestation. I'm gonna increase its size, change its color to a darker color, and give it an animation. And there you go. I have added my points. I'm gonna give them bullet points, bold it, change its font and color, and increase its size. Select all of these, give it an animation, go to animation, and then give it a drop animation as you have done in the first slide. Increase the size of this picture right here. Now, what you have to do is this is a preview of the animation. I'm gonna select the shape and give it a another animation. I'm gonna insert a new slide and an image. This is a picture that I got. Decrease its size, move it towards the right corner, and change its shape towards the shape. Now give it an animation. I'm gonna add a text box and I'm gonna write agriculture in it, bold it, change its color to green, give it an animation and underline it. Add another image. So I'm gonna delete this second one picture because there is no space for this in the slide. So I'm gonna increase this first image size and there you go. Now select it and go to animation span and give it an animation. Now add a text box and write your content of agriculture of how agriculture affects deforestation or how agriculture causes deforestation. I'm gonna select it, change its color to a lighter color, and that is a light. And now I'm gonna give it animation. Now insert another slide and add your text. Select it, increase its size, and give it an animation. And that's it. Now add two images and you have to select them, give them frame that I have given to them. Now give them animation of swirl. Now I'm gonna add the content of this slide and select it and increase their size and change their color. Next, I'm gonna give it an animation. Now go to insert a blank slide, insert a text box, and write your text. Bold it, increase the size, change its color to dark green, give it an animation, insert another text box, paste your text. So this is the content of this slide, and I'm gonna increase its duration and give it an animation. Now go to picture, add your pictures. So I have added these two pictures. I'm gonna select both of these and increase their size. And there you go. I'm gonna crop this one to oval and I'm gonna leave this one to its original shape. So I'm gonna select both of these and give it a swirl animation. Now go to insert and insert a new blank slide. Insert a text box. Enter your title in the text box. Increase its size, give it an animation of wheel. Now enter a text box for the content of this slide. And I have added the content. Now increase its size, give it an animation. Now insert an image. Go to pictures and from your download section you can insert the images. Now crop these images into shapes. I have cropped the first shape into oval. I'm gonna select both of these shapes and give them an animation of random bars. Insert a new slide, enter your text. So this is the last slide and I'm gonna add thank you in it. I'm gonna increase its size and bold it and give it Algerian font. Select every letter and give them a multicolor rainbow color. So I have given it about 8 color and 8 different colors so that it looks really multi. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. So also hit that bell icon to get more videos like these. And don't forget to comment below about the video so that I can point out my mistakes and how to improve my PowerPoint slides.